I think the most important competitive advantage is my people. We are very dedicated people. Number two, experience of 60 years. We have completed 60 years of leadership in these countries, and that's the reason that we are very distinct from our competitors. We have a lot of international partners who support us in technology, which no one has, no other company has in backup. Like everyone, every international companies who basically supply quality raw materials, when they land in Kenya, they are looking for partnership with Crown, and that's probably, and they are ready to sign off the exclusive arrangement with us to support us on technology each product. Many of my products, quality of the products are not being tested here, being tested in Germany, being tested in US, tested in Belgium. So make sure that we maintain that European and American standards of the products. So in fact, Africa, that way, Kenya market is very lucky that they get a very high standard products in the market compared to any other companies today. We are the most innovative companies. If you look at if you Google a website, we won like more than 4 to 5 awards, various business awards from various business community, from AFK, from Kenya, from Koya, that we are been able to provide extraordinary solutions to the customers who they are looking for, paint their house or paint their building, commercial or residentials. And we are very serious on protecting a customer home, wall and interest. Like we always say that we are keen to provide a stronger protection to your wall. Once you use Crown, is protect your wall for at least 5 to 8 years or 10 years. Certain product we have to give up to 15 years warranty. So that's what exclusivity we have compared to other brands. And probably our network is one of the strongest network, being the oldest brand in this country. We have more than 1,500 retail outlet in Kenya, and across Africa we must be having like 3,000 outlets. So that's one of the great advantage which we have, where you can find the products everywhere. We talk about Kenya, you find even a small town you will find a Crown brand. And earlier we were a premium brand, known as a premium brand, but now slowly we also started focusing on other brand also, which is can cater normal Kenyan also. So we don't want to call Crown is only a premium brand and is affordable to the premium sectors, but now we will make sure that our brand is affordable to each and every categories. For premium sectors, we have extraordinary premium brands, cater to the needs, can meet the expectation of all the professionals, longevity of the product, quality of the products. And same thing for normal Kenyans or particular low cost housing, because one of the big agenda of our president, and definitely this housing is a big issue in this country. So I think low cost housing is going to drive big economic growth in this country. So in that sector also, I can proudly say that we are very competitive and we can meet those expectations of the contractors or the users to meet low end brand also at a very competitive price.